started in the Isle of Wight. And it went up through the country and just about decimated the whole bee population. And when you hear people talking about
my grandfather's bees.
the native black bee, you'll probably find it isn't a native black bee. It's probably been imported from Germany or from somewhere else, because a lot of them were destroyed. So they're either Caucasian or something like that.
Italian bees, they brought
Italian
massive
bees
ones
were
over.
massive. They imported loads to make up the bee populations again. The one that you see here is the queen that's in there is she's a Dutch bee, isn't she?
She's from Holland, yeah.
Yeah.
This is a Marken bee. From
That's
the
a
island of
Marken bee.
Marken in
Have
Holland.
I got it right that this queen is a mongrel that she just got moved in by the worker bees?
No,
She's one that they self.
they've made themselves.
The good queen that we'd put in there the year before wanted to swarm, so we made an artificial swarm and let the bees make their own queen.
Well,
So
explain
they've
all
gone
that.
off, they've
Okay.
made a queen using the genetic material that we'd put in, but they've gone off and mated with who she likes, so any
Yeah.
Tom, Dick or Fred the bee.
But you don't have a swarm off these every 2 or 3 years.
You could do if you wanted.
Yeah.
I like the bit about I can elect to do it or not.
Yes, you
Yeah,
can.
yeah.
You can. Once you've got bees, you should never have to